Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active Wi-Fi or mobile connection and the latest Capcut build. Open your phone settings, clear Capcut cache, and stop the app to remove stale sessions. Once done, reboot the device and power cycle the router. This resets NAT and DNS states. Make sure background data is enabled and any VPN or ad blocker is disabled because those often interrupt Capcut's server handshake. After these steps, reopen Capcut and attempt the same action to see if the network error returns. Now you adjust deeper network and permission layers that commonly cause errors. Change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISP DNS glitches, and test on mobile data to isolate Wi-Fi issues. Make sure Capcut has storage and background refresh permissions so uploads and downloads can complete. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it because encrypted tunnels sometimes block Capcut endpoints. Finally, try signing out and back into your account. That refreshes tokens and often finish with decisive fixes. Back up your projects and reinstall Capcut to remove corrupted files. This often clears persistent network faults. If that fails, reset network settings on your phone to clear misconfigured IP, DNS, or proxy entries, but be aware this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Once done, test the app on another device or hotspot to determine whether the issue is account side or device side. If problems persist, collect app logs and contact support. Provide timestamps and steps so they can replicate the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.